In this tutorial, I'm going to start talking about widgets. Now, widgets are something you're going to become very used to as you start developing your blog. And basically, a widget is a little application that you can embed into your blog that allows you to do various different things. And if you were to go and search blogs and widgets on Google, you would see that it would be thousands and thousands and thousands of them. Widgets that are available are sometimes dependent on the theme, and there's also a restricted amount available through the student blog system with ACU. But that doesn't really restrict us from doing anything, because the ones that are available are pretty good. And then at the end of the semester, when you export your blog into your own WordPress site, you'll suddenly see that there are thousands and more that you can play with, and they're really good fun and they're really important. So today we're going to look at a widget called the blog roll, which actually allows us to start tidying up the menu bars, the sidebars that you have on your blog. So where I'm circling with the mouse now, it starts to effectively allow you to really tidy up those links. Some of you have done it already. So I'm going to go into Dashboard, and what I'm going to do is go down to where it says Appearance. So if the menu hasn't dropped down, just click on the down arrow and then click on Widgets. And you're taken to a menu where it says Available Widgets, and so these are the applications that have been made available for your actual the blog that you've set up. Now, it's a drag and drop system, and it's very easy to use. And sometimes you need to, test them out. It may be a widget that you want to use. It may be a widget you don't want to use. Again, it's that thing about trial and error with blogging. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to where it says links, and I want to use my blog roll. So that literally is a series of links that I think are important or interesting. And what I want to do is I want to drag that into my sidebar. So what I'm going to do is if I click on it and drag it over to where it says the primary widget area, and you'll see that as I move it up and down, it actually sort of allocates itself a space within the hierarchy. Now I want this to appear at the top, so I'm going to go right up the top, and when the dashed box appears, I'm just going to let go of the mouse, and now that widget has moved over into the primary widget area. And I want to display all links, and the sort of generic settings that it's set up with the link image and the link name are absolutely perfect. And then I'm going to click Save. If I now go back to my home page and I look on the left hand side, you'll see that actually the blog roll is now at the top of that particular sidebar, and it's got a series of generic links. And in the next video I'll show you how we can actually start changing those links as well.